Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be going over the 9th set of combos for level 1.9. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 8th set of combos down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. The first combo is going to be a front snap to a back scoot round. So you're going to do your front snap and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to put your cheat knee down and throw your back scoot round. The second combo is going to be a front snap to a back swipe hook. So you're going to do your front snap and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to put your swing knee down and throw your back swipe hook. The third combo is going to be a back snap to a back scoot round. So you're going to do your back snap and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to put your cheat leg on the ground and throw your back scoot round. And the last combo is going to be a back snap to a back swipe hook. So you're going to do your back snap and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to put your swing knee on the ground and throw your back swipe hook. Now, obviously, if you're going to attempt these combos, I recommend that you have your grounded flip kicks down, as well as probably your front and back snaps. And zero kicks help as well on these. And I want you guys to try to mix up these combos with some of the combos that we learned earlier on in the curriculum. Remember to always be thinking about the move that you're doing as you're doing it when you combo, and make sure that you take it slow, and then as it gets a little bit easier, you can add a little bit more speed or power. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I would also like to thank all the patrons for supporting this channel. And if you would like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the last set of combos for all of level 1. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.